Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2 players on Skylanders Trap Team. First, you will need 2 controllers that are compatible with your gaming console. Next, make sure your portal of power is properly connected to your system. To start, place your first Skylander figure onto the portal. This will allow the game to recognize the primary player and begin the adventure. Once the first player is in the game, it's time to bring in your partner. Simply place a second Skylander figure onto the portal of power. Then, with the second controller, press the main action button, such as A or Start, depending on your console. The game will then recognize the second player and prompt them to join the current game session, allowing for instant cooperative play. Playing Skylanders Trap Team with a friend offers a truly enhanced experience. You can enjoy the entire main story campaign and even the exciting Cow's Doom Challenge mode together. A great feature is that all collected gold and gems are shared, removing any competition for resources. Plus, some captured villains offer unique support abilities, which can be strategically used to help both players in combat. For the smoothest 2-player experience, always confirm both controllers are synced to your console before launching the game. Also, have each player's favorite Skylander figure ready to place on the portal. It's important to note that Skylanders Trap Team provides a shared screen cooperative experience, meaning both players will be on the same screen rather than a split-screen view. This keeps the action focused and engaging for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.